Welcome back to my creative space. Today, I felt like stepping away from anything too complicated and just getting back to basics. There's something so therapeutic about a fresh sheet of paper and a simple idea. I started with the outline of this little guy. I wanted him to have that chunky look, bold, clean lines and big, expressive eyes. You'll notice the head is slightly larger than the body. That's the secret to making any character look instantly more adorable and kawaii. When it came time for the color, I chose this warm, honey brown. I really took my time layering the ink to make sure the finish was smooth and vibrant. I think the highlight of the whole piece is that bright pink collar. It gives him so much personality against the neutral tones of his fur. It's amazing how much joy a small, simple drawing like this can bring. It doesn't have to be a museum-grade portrait to be meaningful. It's just about the act of creating and seeing a character come to life right in front of you. He's still looking for a name. So if you have any ideas, leave them in the comments. Thanks for spending this minute of your day with me.